Stocks our strategists feel are poised to deliver positive returns are featured now in their top stock picks of the week.
Moving into spring now with a couple of interesting top stock picks from our panelists, Ryan McQueenie and Brian Bolin. Brian joins us remotely. So, Ryan, we're going to start with you, as we normally do in these situations. You've got a software company.
Yeah, so I'm looking at Paycom Software. The ticker is PAYC. They offer cloud-based online payroll and HR services solutions. It was actually one of the first fully online payroll options out there. So we have a really interesting example of a company that has that first mover advantage and has an industry-leading product, but still has a mountain of growth ahead of it. I just wanted to highlight, it's a Zacks ranked #1 strong buy. Looking at the style scores, we have a B grade for growth, which is pretty good. We have that F grade for value, so I wanted to shout out Brian Bolin, who always mentions that divergence there. I got a little bit of that divergence that I'm sure he would like. I'm going to look at the price consensus and EPS surprise chart as well, just because since its IPO in mid-2014, it has a really remarkable chart. A lot of the things we like to see on this chart specifically, consistently beating earnings and with that estimate consensus trending upward along with the share price as well. Growth expected again this year. Based on our latest consensus estimates, we're looking for almost 90% earnings growth this year.
It's a big number.
Almost 26% revenue growth, and that's going to be a long-term trend of growth as well. Looking ahead, Paycom is projected to witness EPS growth of 25% on an annualized rate over the next 3 to 5 years. And then the last thing I wanted to mention with this stock is I think it's worth noting that amid all of this trade war volatility, the Russell 2000 has fared a little bit better than some of the other major U.S. indexes. And smaller cap stocks not necessarily known for their stability during volatile markets, but it is possible that a leaner software company like this would be a better bet during this international trade volatility that we've seen.
Okay. Brian Bolin, you've got a financial company.
Yeah, I've got Virtu Financial, VIRT is the ticker, and it's a Zacks rank #1, as we can see here, as all of our top stock picks are, or at least mine. You know, and if we take a look at why this stock is a Zacks rank #1, you know, flip here to the detailed estimates page, we can see that estimates have been moving steadily higher here over the last 90 days, and that was following a big beat. So 90 days ago, the estimate was 87 cents, and then it popped up to $1.59 and has pretty much held there since then. Same thing for next year. So this growth that reaches the bottom line, you know, continues there. So we see that that number is rising as well. You know, and here is the big number that I'm talking about. It's a 69% positive earnings surprise in the most recent quarter. The quarter before that was a 60% positive earnings surprise. So you can see things have really turned around. Now, that prior 60% beat was a 3-cent beat, so not that big of a deal. But this last, most recent beat was a 9-cent beat, so that's why you know, that beat looks you know, a lot better to investors going forward here. If we take a quick look at the chart, we can see that it's really been, you know, up and away here since these last two beats. So we have the one beat down here, and then the next beat up here, and then that stock is going this way. Now, the whole idea about this stock is it is a high-frequency trading firm, you know, and with this volatility in the market, they are positioned rather well to, you know, benefit from that. So the more volatility is in the market, the more likely this company is to make money trading. And that's my top stock pick for the week.
All right. Do either of you own either of these?
I do not.
I do not.
Okay. Thank you both for that. And don't forget, you can always check out more stock information. It's on our website, Zacks.com, and all you need to do to access it, get on over to the homepage. With Ryan and Brian, I'm Terry Ruffalo.